Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Audi Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power tailgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, fog lights, power moonroof, tachometer, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.